Welcome to Farm Odyssey. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of American sheep farming, exploring how these dedicated ranchers raise millions of sheep across the United States. Our journey will lead us through the rolling pastures of Tennessee, the vast plains of Texas, the sunny fields of California, and the lush landscapes of Georgia. These regions play a significant role in the country's sheep farming industry, each contributing its unique practices and challenges. As of September 2022, the United States is home to approximately 5.1 million sheep, scattered across various states. The sheep farming industry has deep roots in American agriculture, with practices passed down through generations. Our first stop is in Tennessee, a state where sheep farming is a blend of tradition and innovation. In the heart of Tennessee, we find ourselves on a picturesque sheep farm nestled in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. Here, the lambing season is in full swing. After a gestation period of about 145 days, the ewes begin to give birth to their lambs. The sight of these newborns, wobbly on their feet but full of life, is a reminder of the cyclical nature of farming. Every year, approximately 1.6 million lambs are born in the United States, with Tennessee contributing a significant number to this total. At 1 week old, these lambs weigh about 10 to 12 pounds and are full of energy. They stay close to their mothers, nursing frequently to build up strength and immunity. As they grow, they are introduced to the farm's pastures, where they begin to graze alongside the older sheep. By the time they are a month old, these lambs are full of curiosity, exploring the pastures and playing with their fellow flock members. When they reach 18 months, they are considered fully mature, with an average weight of around 130 pounds. Next, we head to Texas, a state known for its expansive sheep farms. Here, the herders release their sheep into vast pastures each morning. The wide open spaces of Texas provide the perfect environment for sheep to graze freely, feeding on the abundant grasses that grow across the plains. Texas is home to nearly 1.8 million sheep, accounting for about 35% of the nation's sheep population. The majority of sheep in Texas are raised for meat, with lamb being a popular product across the state. Texas alone produces about 40% of the nation's lamb. As the day comes to a close, the herders, with the help of well-trained dogs, guide the sheep back to their enclosures. This practice helps protect them from predators such as coyotes, which are known to prey on sheep, particularly at night. Despite the efforts of ranchers, it is estimated that around 20,000 sheep in Texas fall victim to coyote attacks each year. Sheep farming in Texas also involves rotating pastures to ensure that the land remains fertile and the sheep have access to fresh grass. This practice not only sustains the pastures, but also reduces the risk of parasites, which can be a significant problem in sheep farming. Now let's journey to California, where we visit a dairy sheep farm. Unlike the sheep raised for meat in Texas, the sheep in California are primarily raised for their milk. California is home to about 70,000 dairy sheep, and the farms here are known for their high-quality milk production. The sheep on these farms have a diet rich in grains and protein, which helps to boost their milk yield. The milking process on these farms is a fascinating blend of tradition and modern technology. Modern milking machines can milk dozens of sheep at once, and each sheep can produce between 4 and 6 pounds of milk per day. In 2022, approximately 550,000 pounds of sheep milk were produced in the United States, with California leading the way in dairy sheep farming. Once the milking is complete, the milk is carefully collected and sent to local cheese factories, where it is transformed into delicious sheep cheese. California's sheep cheese is renowned for its rich flavor and creamy texture, and it's a product that has been gaining popularity across the country. Our final stop is in Wisconsin, where we visit a traditional sheep cheese production facility. Wisconsin, known for its dairy products, has a thriving sheep cheese industry. The process of making sheep cheese is both an art and a science, with cheesemakers carefully controlling every step to ensure the perfect product. The milk is pasteurized, cultured, and then aged to create a variety of cheeses, from soft, spreadable varieties to hard, aged cheeses. Sheep cheese has a unique flavor that sets it apart from cow's milk cheese, and it's a favorite among cheese enthusiasts. Have you ever tasted sheep cheese before? If not, it's definitely something to add to your culinary bucket list. As we wrap up our journey through the world of American sheep farming, it's clear that this industry is more than just a livelihood for many. It's a way of life. The dedication, hard work, and passion of sheep farmers across the United States are evident in every aspect of the process, from lambing to grazing, milking, and cheese production. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of American sheep farming. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to Farm Odyssey for more insights into the fascinating world of farming. See you in the next video.